If you are interested to travel to Abu Dhabi at zero cost in April 2024, I mean absolutely zero cost, stay right with me to the end. Today I'm going to be introducing to you an opportunity which will cover your entire expenses, starting from the travel expenses, accommodation, living allowance for the time that you are for that conference in Abu Dhabi. But before we do that, if it's your first time seeing me, I'm Queen Sparkles. Comment in the comment section below so that I can give you a welcome hug. Here we talk about scholarships, legit jobs abroad, internships, conferences, and other enormous opportunities abroad. So if any of those topics interests you, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications so that the next time I post an opportunity, you are the first person to be notified. And without any further ado, let's get right to my PC and I show you the eligibility criteria and everything you need to know about this opportunity. So guys, we are talking about the IRENA Youth Forum at the IRENA Assembly. IRENA is the International Renewable Energy Agency, and as we can see here, their 14th Assembly is taking place in Abu Dhabi from 15th to 18th April 2024, and there will be many heads of states of governments, ministers, stakeholders who will meet to discuss and advance the energy transition, and they are giving youth an opportunity to add their voice and perspective to the agency's mission of accelerating renewable energy deployment in order to achieve climate change objectives and advance the sustainable development agenda. So guys, this is basically about energy transition and accelerating climate change objectives and sustainable development agenda. But I'm gonna leave this link in the description box below so that you can read through and prepare your application thoroughly. Anyways, there will be a series of interactive sessions which will include open dialogues, workshops, and in those, participants will be able to add a youth perspective to the global energy discourse. And all countries are actually eligible to apply, but they are encouraging applications from youth in the least developed countries and small island developing countries and developing countries. And if you are successful, you will receive a full sponsorship, including travel, accommodation, and they will give this to up to 35 participants. And if you are interested to apply, you should be between 16 to 35 years. And the deadline of application is 31st January 2024, Abu Dhabi local time. And participants will be selected based on their commitment to accelerating progress on renewable energy deployment. So be sure of your answers in the application as we are going to see down. So in order to apply, you just come here and click application and it will take you to the application website. So you just need to put in your name, title, and all this information you see here, but the crucial part which will determine whether you are selected or not is here. You have to describe a specific project or initiative you have been involved in that demonstrates your leadership and commitment to sustainable energy development. And then how do you see yourself contributing to global energy transition and achieving the UN Sustainable Development Goals? And what are your expectations from participating in the IRENA Youth Forum? And how do you envision it contributing to your personal and professional growth? And are you or your organization able to provide funding for this participation? If not, please elaborate on why you should be considered for financial support by IRENA. So that is it for the application. You just click here and submit your CV and click I'm not a robot, and then it will bring this and you submit. And that is it, guys, for the application. Simple as that. You don't need your documents, nothing. You just need to describe all these questions clearly. So do your research and like the video, hit the subscribe button so that you can get more opportunities like this the next time I post. I wish you all the best in your application. See you in my next video. Peace.